Hi, I'm Andy Chamberlain from UVM Extension Ag Engineering. Today I'm going to show you how to clean one of these washing machine green spinners. Now, to be honest, I don't use one of these daily, nor have I ever cleaned one before. But today I'll show you what I think a cleaning procedure might look like. So because I don't use this every day, I asked the farmer what they do. And generally speaking, on a daily basis, they just rinse out the inside of this drum, and it seems to be a sufficient clean. Now, the way they use this spinner is by placing the greens in an orange basket and then placing the basket inside the drum. So therefore, this is not a primary food contact surface, so it is not critical that that gets perfectly cleaned. Now, a quick rinse down was explained to me like this. They remove the wash plate, and then it reveals these drain holes under here, and the leaves that get caught in the drum actually fit down through those drain holes and can escape into the catch basin and out the drain of this machine. Now, obviously there weren't any greens in there to begin with, but this is about what I'd expect it to look like at the end of a daily rinse down. The hose was effective at getting behind these split pieces of PVC, so there's no reason for me to believe that greens would not be efficiently washed out after use. Now, after this, I'd leave the lid open so it can dry out between the next use. This machine is stored inside of an enclosed building, so there's really no worries about rats or rodents or other pests, dirt and debris getting in here. If you were storing it outdoors, then I would recommend closing the lid and to not let anything else get inside. So that was an example of a quick rinse down, but say it's coming out of storage or it's been more than just a couple of days, let's see what a real thorough cleaning actually looks like.